Hi, hello viewers, it's Min IAS Academy. In economy, last class we have seen the history of economy, how economy existed, how we have chosen our economy. Everything is discussed in our last class. In today's class, we will discuss about the sectors of economy. What are the sectors in our Indian economy and what are the color jobs? This is a basic thing which can be asked in match the following or something. So, sectors of Indian economy, we can divide the sectors into three. First one is primary sector, second is primary sector, secondary sector, and then tertiary sector. Secondary sector, we can say it is manufacturing sector. Third one is tertiary sector. Tertiary sector also can be said as a service sector. In primary sector, how we can define primary sector is that directly exploited from nature. This sector contains things that are directly exploited from nature. Say agriculture. In agriculture, things are directly taken from nature, right? So agriculture, mining. In mining also, we are taking things directly from the nature. So exploiting the things directly from the nature. Mining, and we can also say fishing, animal husbandry. Everything comes under primary sector. Animal husbandry, forestry, everything comes under primary sector. Then in secondary sector is also called as manufacturing sector, in which the primary sector the material is used as a raw material for producing some finished goods. Example, we can say biscuit manufacturing company. Simply we can say as biscuit manufacturing company. In biscuit manufacturing company, they use the raw materials which are produced in this sector, and they use that materials to produce a finished good. For example, we can say sugar making industry also. For example, here we will be producing sugar cane. Sugar cane will be produced in this primary sector. We will use that sugar cane to produce sugar, which is a finished product. So that is called as secondary sector. And after secondary sector, we have tertiary sector. In tertiary sector is also called as service sector, in which it has services. For example, for services, we can say transportation is a service. Transportation is a service, tourism is a service, IT company is a service. So it has services sector, doctors are the services. So certain services are included in tertiary sector. These three are the major divisions of the sectors of Indian economy. But apart from these sectors, we have added some new sectors now, and those are quaternary sector. What is quaternary sector? Quaternary sector is also called as knowledge sector. So knowledgeable persons, the things which are relating to the jobs which are relating to knowledge is included in this quaternary sector. The best example which we can say for quaternary sector is lawyer. Lawyer is a profession in which the knowledge is very essential. So quaternary sector is a sector which includes knowledge, which needs knowledge. So quaternary sector is also called as knowledge sector, in which we can see lawyer. And then we have another sector called as quinary sector. What is quinary sector? Quinary sector is also called as high level jobs. It is in this quinary sector we have high level jobs. The jobs which are in high level is included in quinary sector. For example, we can see judges. Judges are the profession of high level, right? So which are included in quinary sector. These are the sectors in Indian economy. These are the sectors in an economy. And apart from this sector, let us discuss another one thing called color jobs. We have certain color, and that color indicates certain jobs. It can be asked in a match the following. So let us discuss the colors one by one. First, red. Red color indicates agri, hunting and fishing. Red color jobs indicate agri, hunting and fishing. Second, black. Black indicates mining and oil industry. Mining and oil industry can be included in black color sectors. Just you can remember red. For fishing and hunting, it will produce blood, right? So by that you can remember red. So for agri, remember red soil, and you can remember red. For black, mining, coal is obtained from mining, right? So coal is in black color. So remember it as black. Then third, blue. Blue is for manual workers. Example, sweepers. So for manual workers, example sweepers, their color is blue. And white. White is for higher official, white collar jobs. We usually use this term, white collar job, white collar job. So white color is for higher officials. White color is for higher officials. Then pink. Pink is for low paid workers or assistant. Low paid workers or assistant comes under pink color. And you can remember it as example receptionist. So receptionist or low paid ones, right? So they come under pink collar jobs. Then yellow. Yellow is for film industry. For film industry, example hero, heroine, director, music director, comedian, everything comes under yellow color. And then orange. Orange is for prison employees. The person who are employed in prison have orange color. And scarlet. Scarlet is for. And then we have no color. For no color, we can have one remembrance that people who do not have a job, some persons don't have job, right? They are considered as no color. Example for that is we can say they don't have job. It is not like they don't have job. They have something to do, but they do not demand money for the job. They do something and they don't demand money for the job, and they are comes under no color. For example, we can say housewife. Housewife have work. They do have work, but they do not demand money for that work. Housewife comes under no color. And NGOs. NGOs also perform some work, but they do not demand money for their work. So those people comes under no color. And then we have gold color. So gold color is high skilled. High skilled one comes under. In white, I said higher officials comes under white color. Whereas in gold, high skilled comes under gold color. For example, Quinary sector workers. Example for Quinary sector, what I have said, it is judges, comes under golden color. And then green. Green is the work which is related to forest department. So forest is greenery in color, right? So you can remember for forest department it is green color, or for relating to environment. For relating to forest department or environment, if the workers, then it is green color. Then grey. Grey is for IT workers. So if you are IT worker, then you are a grey color job. Then open color. Open color is the one who are not working, who are searching for work. These are job searching persons. These are the work things relating to color jobs. So first one is red. Red is relating to agri, hunting or fishing. A person who are employed in agri, hunting or fishing comes in red color jobs. Black is relating to mining or oil industry. Blue, manual workers. Example, sweepers comes under blue color jobs. White color jobs are higher officials. Higher officials comes under white color jobs. And pink, assistant or low paid workers comes under pink color. Example, receptionist. Yellow, the people who are employed in film industry are called as yellow color jobs. Example, hero, music director, everything. Orange are the persons who are working in prison. Who are working in prison comes in orange color job. Scarlet, okay, no color. Housewife or NGO. Person who works but do not demand money for their work comes under no color. And golden color jobs are the person who are high skilled. Example, Quinary sector workers. Example, judges. And green, a person who works in forest department or relating to environment comes under green color. And grey is relating to IT workers. And open color, job searching person. They can fill any color in future, so they are open color. So these are the things which are relating to sectors of the economy and the color jobs. Okay, subscribe to My Minute IAS Academy. Thank you.